Hi, and welcome to Professor Kev Show. Got my friend Zommy with us. We're from Nourish Teen. Good afternoon, my friend, and welcome to the show.
Hi, how are you?
Living the dream, my friend. So let's go right after it. Give us a little overview. Why did you start Nourish Teen?
Okay, so Nourish Teen was a initiative that I started in July of 2024. I think over time, I think with my personal experiences, being a young kid and I think around like fifth or sixth grade, so right before COVID hit, I thought to myself that, my desire for having a healthier lifestyle and just having our everyday lives just be led a little bit healthier, I feel like would make me happy and billions of other people happy as well. And I think with the idea of me living in a household where it's like my mom prioritizes healthy eating, taking our vitamins and just making sure that, we're always living our best. And I feel like with Nourish Teen, like the idea hit me just so instantly, like it was actually insane. And from from July moving forward, I told myself, I was like, you know what, you have to like keep moving. And I think overall too, like my drive and my desire just for a healthier environment was really what kind of stemmed my desire to start Nourish Teen. And so coming from that and coming from that kind of background, it made me feel like, I can make an impact no matter how big or small, like I can do something for the community and that would help me feel purposeful in life. So yeah.
I'm just kind of chuckling because fourth or fifth grade and you knew to be healthy. It's amazing. I,
Honestly, it shocked me too, to be honest. Yeah.
I was
But
just laughing.
it just
I
hit
just want to,
me.
I still want cookies and stuff, but at that age, I wouldn't have had that ability. So walk us through some of the steps you've taken to try to help people in the community with this idea.
Right. So I think in August of 2024, we held our first fundraiser to kind of help raise funds. So we kind of did like a little bake sale throughout my city, and we sold around $125 worth of baked goods. So using that money that we made, as well as like other smaller donations that we got over time, we held our basket drive. So what we did through that basket drive, we kind of packaged like some healthcare or like basic necessities. So we had like hand warmers, we had Thanksgiving cards, for the Thanksgiving holiday, and just hand sanitizers and just kind of like sanitary stuff to donate to our community grassroots. I think we made around over 41 baskets that we
Wow.
were able to donate. So I myself dropped off half of the baskets, and then my friend helped me out and dropped off the other baskets. And so it got delivered to different people who are, working through grassroots in the area. So honestly, it was a really big feat for us. I mean, considering juggling this with school, like obviously it was a really hard feat just trying to like plan and make sure that everything was working on time. And especially like doing it so close to the Thanksgiving season too. We proved a little bit difficulties here and there, but we were able to completely get it through. So I am super proud of that.
I can see why. Okay, so crystal ball time. What's the future hold for you?
Future hold, honestly, I think coming in from now, I want to go at it step by step. I think my biggest difficulty was just kind of like thinking big end goal. But honestly, I'm thinking like by February and March, I'm setting goals monthly. But for the coming months, we are planning on hosting an educational event at our local elementary schools in the area. And basically, we're partnering with the school's PTSAs to host the event and also kind of help foster that kind of community amongst the smaller children and help them understand what it means to live a healthy life. And then hopefully from that we can now branch into broader elementary schools around in our region area and then hopefully fostering some more educational event through that. And then also hosting a lot more fundraisers to raise more money and partnering with local nonprofits in the area that help with, like, I was thinking about Urban Hunger Project, for example, and that's a nonprofit in Baltimore, and they help the homeless with daily food meals. So kind of just helping them and partnering with them to kind of create that community and just help our impact grow, I think is what our big ideas are right now.
Sounds amazing. So, what's the best way for people to reach out to you? How can they learn more, my friend?
Yes, so we have our Instagram. So our Instagram handle is at Nourish Teen, and it's all lowercase. We also have our websites. Our website is contactnourishdteen.wixsite.com. And so there you can kind of just get like a big holistic view of like our mission, our projects, and our team. And then I believe our LinkedIn page as well, you can find it. It's the same as our Instagram handle, so Nourish Teen as well. And yeah, I believe those are all of our socials.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.